Hey, so you want to know how to build your business online as a network marketer or affiliate marketer? Well, you came to the right place, and I'm going to show you how to actually build your business online. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. A couple years back, I was $87,000 in debt. I was stressed. I was depressed. I didn't know what I would do. I didn't know how I would get out of my situation. I've tried many things in the past, like network marketing, e-commerce, things like that, and I had no results. And it took a couple of mentors that I came across that showed me a concept of how I could bring my business online to actually find people using the power of the internet that were looking for me already. So I didn't have to go out searching for them. They already came to me because they see my content, they see my results. I could do paid advertising, free methods, and they came across my content, right? And when they showed me that, I started to get results. And as you can see right here, I'm on the leaderboards for this week. And so if you've never got results in anything before, then you just need to have the right information to be able to get results. The first thing I needed to know was how to build an audience, and that might involve, doing paid methods, getting paid traffic, or using free methods, which are doing content. And you just have to get enough eyes on your opportunity to get people to see them. You have to give them value. You have to explain stuff, and they will know and they will understand once you start to step into leadership, right? So once I started to step into leadership, everything fell into place, right? And to build my audience, I learned that I needed something in place to be able to capture emails and capture contact information so that I could keep in contact with my email list and my people that subscribe, that wanted to have value, that wanted to know stuff from me as somebody who was their coach and mentor. So, basically you need to be able to build up your email list. It's a very, very important asset. This actually has a funnel builder, which enables you to actually build out the funnel where they put their email in, and you could build out your list. So you're going to learn exactly how to do that. You're gonna be able to get into the Facebook group. You're gonna be able to build any business in 3 simple steps. Then you're gonna be able to actually hook up your funnel builder and set it up, which means having a domain to host it on, which is a website. And then you're gonna be able to connect the autoresponder, which is gonna follow up with the emails and be able to house your contacts of people that subscribe to your list, right? So those are 2 important things that you're going to need to know, and then you're going to learn actually about how to design your funnels. You're going to learn how to optimize for mobile. You're going to learn how to do custom tracking, so you will know all your numbers. You'll be a professional marketer because you're going to learn these skills. You'll learn how to actually do exit pops, which is if somebody tries to leave your funnel, which means after they put their email in, they come to a page like this that has a video and then it has a button. And then if they try to X out of that, they'll get a pop-up saying, no, wait, there's more information I want to share with you. Stay. And then it'll share some information. It gets them to stay within the funnel. You're going to learn how to actually create shared funnels, which means if you create any kind of funnel within the system, you'll be able to share it with somebody that signs up with you. You're going to learn how to track your leads within the builder, so you'll know all your numbers. You'll learn how to sell your own products. So if you've never know how to create a product, this is very, very cool for you. You learn how to do upsells and downsells. An upsell is basically if they were in a funnel like this, they watched the video, they clicked on the button, they bought. It might take them to an upsell, which is something of more value, like coaching or one-on-one time, and you offer a higher price for that. They could buy that, and if they don't buy that, then they might get a downsell, which is something else that they could buy at a lower price, but it still has a lot of value, right? That's a downsell, right? So you're going to learn how to do that. And when you learn how to create your own funnel, your own site, and you have a membership site, right, to put all these things in. So you'll have your funnel, you'll learn how to create your products, and then you have your membership site. Then you're going to be able to actually have your own content, and you're going to have your authority as a marketer and someone of value that people look up to. You're going to be able to actually share that value rather than people trying to just sell you a bunch of debunk products through email, you're going to actually learn how to become an authority, which is really, really cool. You'll learn how to do different kinds of pages. You'll learn how to split test. Split test is basically when somebody comes and puts their email in. It basically is the headline that you see on the page before you put your email in. So it has to be something that's captivating, that captures your attention. So that way, whoever comes to the page puts their email in, and the higher opt-in rate, which means whoever puts their email in that's opt-in, the highest opt-in rate is the best. You always want to get the highest opt-in rate. So you always want to be testing, and that's how this is done, right? You're going to learn how to do a website as well. So that's really, really cool. This platform, it offers 80% commissions, which is very, very good. 80% out of all your earnings you get, right? So only 20% goes to this company, and you get all the rest. And they pay out every single week on Fridays, which is cool. And then I wanted more. This offers $25 a month. You get a $20 commission. I wanted more. I wanted to learn about traffic and conversion, so I upgraded to the $100 a month. And that gave me a $100 commission, right? So the $100 commission actually shows you how to actually, get traffic. So you're earning $120 per month if you upgrade, and this shows you how to actually, find your target market, like who you're going to sell to, and how to create a lead magnet. Lead magnet is what you offer in exchange for an email. So it might be a PDF, it might be a giveaway, it might be a mini course. You're going to learn how to create all that stuff. Sorry, I have a lot of thunder and lightning and storming right now. But I still did this anyway. So, you're going to learn that stuff. Then you're going to learn free methods of building your business, which are launching your business. You're going to learn the steps to invite people. You're going to learn how to actually follow up with them. Then you're going to learn simple methods to actually get leads from Facebook. You're going to learn how to actually blog if you want to create a blog, which is content creation, and it's using the search engines. You could learn how to use YouTube video. If you want to do video, you'll learn how to rank your videos in the top of the search engines, which is why you see my videos at the top of the search engine when you search for stuff on YouTube. You're going to learn that. You're going to also learn podcasting if you want to do a podcast. Podcast is like a radio show, so you'll be able to learn about that. That's like Joe Rogan does. You'll learn how to actually get leads on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is like a professional site for people like Facebook, but it's for professionals. You'll also learn how to advertise on Facebook. You'll learn how to do Facebook Lives. Then you'll learn how to actually launch your products in a launch challenge, right? So you'll learn how to do that the right way, so that way you can become an expert marketer, right? That's what this teaches you, how to become a marketer. This isn't no, crappy product. These are actually tools and training that you need to actually build and grow your business online. So if you've never marketed online before, then this is perfect for you, right? And then you're going to actually learn the paid methods, which are text messaging, solo ad traffic, which is basically traffic from one marketer's email list. He sends out a broadcast, and then you actually see the email. You click on the link, then you get on somebody else's list, which I use a lot of solo ad traffic, so you might have came through that method. I also use social media traffic as well. There's also Facebook ads and free Facebook video ads as well. Video converts very well, so it's very, very cool to learn that stuff. Then you can learn about conversions, how to convert people, how to close leads, the right things to say, and then you're going to learn about how to onboard somebody the right way. And then if you ever get lost, we have training. We have a daily Grow Rich call, which is in the morning. It focuses on mindset. It's at 9:00 Eastern time. And we have a Take Action Mastermind. It's every day at 11 a.m., which is when the owners of the business and the top leaders get on and share their strategies over the shoulder. So you get to see that live on video. This is very, very live, very, very interactive. Then there's a Monday night mastermind, which they basically have everybody get on and everybody shares their questions and things that they need answered. And then they have a couple of people like myself that are on the leaderboards. They'll have us get on and actually share how we're getting results, and we'll be able to actually interact. And sometimes there's over 70 people on that call most times, so you'll be able to get your questions answered live, which is very, very cool, because I know a lot of people need extra help and extra support when they're building their business online, and this works perfect for that. Then there's other, bonuses and training that you can learn. There's also done for you funnels. So that means if you come into here, you'll be able to set up and it's already done for you. So there's not too much that you have to do after that, right? This is already done for you. Then, like I said, this offers $100 a month commission on top of the 20, so you're making $120 a month. Then when you start making money, you're going to want to know how to manage your business so you pay less in taxes. You're going to want to learn about finances. So this is a course. It's a one-time buy. It gives you $400 commission. So you could actually make over $500 per sign up with this. It's going to teach you how to eliminate debt, and it's going to teach you how to reduce taxes. So you're going to learn strategies how to actually save more money, and then you're going to learn how to plan for retirement and how to keep your records the right way for your business, so that way you save more in business. Then when you start making money, you have to do investments. So you're going to learn how to avoid scams and actually how to invest the right way, how to do property management, car flipping, asset protection, mobile homes, other forms of property management. And you're going to learn how to actually, have investments. And they don't teach this kind of stuff in school. So this gives you a $400 commission, like I said. And if you get started with me today, is what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually show you how to get at least 1,000 people per month to see this opportunity. You're going to learn about marketing. You're going to be able to connect with me personally. So, make sure you click on that link below this video to actually get started today. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And make sure you also get into the free Facebook group, which is also in the description. You could get into the Facebook group to interact and to be able to, get your questions answered personally as well. So, make sure you click on those links in the description, subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you soon.